How to make onion tomato salad, the so-called kachumbari. So you can try this at home. Trust me, you're going to love it. So we are going to peel the tomatoes. You're going to peel the tomatoes because professionally you have to use the tomato peel. So after, you're going to first slice it. You slice it lengthwise. Then after slicing it, you're going to chop it or to dice it. But make sure that you do medium pieces. Make sure that you do medium pieces. Remember, for the new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you can get daily recipe update. Then after chopping or after dicing, we are going to set everything aside in the bowl. Then after, next, we are going to dice our onions, but make sure that you don't do big pieces, because when you're doing a salad you need thin particles. Then after, you're going to dice medium dice. Don't finally miss the onions. Then after, we are going to apply it in the bowl. We are doing homemade onion tomato salad, or the kachumbari. Then we are going to slice the fresh coriander. If you also have spring onions, you can also slice them. Then you combine them here in our bowl. Then you're going to add some salt. If you have aromat, you can also add some aromat. If you also love white pepper or black pepper, you can also apply a pinch. Then mix everything together. After mixing, we are going to apply some lemon juice. If you don't have lemon, you can use the vinegar, but just know, if you apply lemon, the lemon juice has that natural taste, or the natural flavor. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So after this,